10 to 40% on great electronic gifts at Kohl's Great Big Gift Weekend Sale this Thursday through Saturday. Plus, everyone gets $10 Kohl's cash for every 50 spent. Kohl's, expect great things.
NBC proudly congratulates its Golden Globe nominees.
Best Comedy, Parks and Recreation.
Best Performance by an Actress in a Supporting Role, Monica Potter, Parenthood.
Best Performance by an Actor in a Comedy, Michael J. Fox.
Best Performance by an Actress in a Comedy, Amy Poehler, Parks and Recreation.
Best Performance by an Actor in a Drama, James Spader, The Blacklist.
We'll be rooting for all of them when the Golden Globes goes live, January 12th on NBC.
Tomorrow on the 2-hour Grim Fall finale.
Merry Christmas!
You better watch out.
You've been naughty.
Because Santa Claus is coming to Grim.
1-6 Santa.
Lucifer.
Grim Fall finale tomorrow on NBC.
Sarah.
Hi.
Hey.
It's just coming in from outside.
Really? Because
Yeah.
it looked like you were going out and then you saw me and then you went back in.
No. Well, you're right. I was coming out and then I forgot some things, so I'm just gonna go back inside and get the thing I forgot. Back in, come back out, in and out.
Okay.
Bye, kitty kitty. Bye, Lucifer. Say bye.
You're going in.
Yeah.
Bye.